Hi, I'm Tim, and I work at Tower Systems, the company behind Embedded Wizard. We build tools that help engineers create embedded GUIs efficiently. Today, I want to show you something that can save you a lot of time. How to translate your entire GUI into multiple languages using AI directly inside Embedded Wizard Studio. How long would it take to manually translate every single string in your user interface? What if AI could do it in seconds, right inside your development environment? Let me show you what we are working with. This is Embedded Wizard Studio, and here are the string constants of our charging station project. Every text element you see in the GUI, labels, buttons, status messages, is defined here as a string constant. Right now, we have two languages, German and English. That's fine for two markets. But what if you need to support 5 languages? Traditionally, you would export all strings, send them to a translator, wait, re-import, check for errors, fix formatting issue, and repeat. If you have done this before, you know it's time-consuming and error-prone, especially because external translators often don't know the context of your GUI. They translate the words correctly, but not for your specific use case. Now let me show you a different approach. The Embedded Wizard AI console is built right into the studio. It's powered by Claude from Anthropic. All you need is an API key. There's no external tool to install, no plugin to configure. It's ready to use right here in your workspace. Let's start by asking the AI to analyze our project. I will type, analyze the current strings and available language in my project. List all the existing string constants with their current values. And here is the response. The AI has identified all string constants in the project and listed their current values in both German and English. It understands the project structure, it knows which strings exist, what they say, and which languages are already configured. This is important. The AI isn't just working with raw text, it has full context of your Embedded Wizard project. It understands what these strings are used for in the GUI. Now for the real test. I will ask the AI to add 3 new languages, French, Spanish, and Italian, and translate all existing strings. Before I hit enter, let me walk you through what I'm actually asking the AI to do, because this prompt is doing a lot more than just translating. First, the core task. Add 3 new languages and translate every string constant in the project. Then I'm setting the tone. This is a charging station, a consumer product. I don't want casual translations. I want formal, professional language that fits the context. This is crucial for embedded GUIs. Screen space is limited. I'm telling the AI to be aware of layout constraints, keep text short, and add line breaks where necessary so nothing overlaps. I'm also asking the AI to update the GUI itself, not just the text. It should extend the language selector with flag icons for the new language. I'm telling it exactly where the flag images are stored. The image resources had been prepared in advance. And finally, a technical constraint. The font we are using doesn't support certain special characters, like accented letters in French. The AI needs to find a workaround or alternative characters were needed. So, this single prompt combines translation, UI design, file management, and technical constraints. That's the power of having an AI that understands your full project context. Let's see what it does. Look at that. The AI is generating all translations right now. French, Spanish, Italian, for every string in the project. Let's look at the results. The AI has translated all strings into 3 languages in a matter of seconds. Let me switch to the string constants view so you can see the new columns. Here they are: French, Spanish, Italian, all populated. And notice the quality. These aren't generic machine translations. The AI understood the context of the charging station interface. Technical terms are translated correctly. The phrasing is formal and appropriated for an end-user product. It even handled line breaks where strings would be too long for the user interface. Think about what just happened. What would normally take hours of back and forth with translators, exporting, translating, re-importing, reviewing, correcting, was done in 2 prompts. But the real proof is in the running application. Let me start the GUI in the prototyper and switch between the languages. Here's the English version. This is what we started with. Now let me switch to German. As expected, this was already in place. Now French. All labels, buttons, messages are properly translated. Let me go through a few screens. Everything fits. No overlapping text, no broken layouts. And Italian. 5 languages, all working, all looking correct in the actual GUI. The translations aren't just linguistically accurate. They work within the visual constraints of the interface. That's the difference when your AI understands the full context of your project. Let's recap what we just did. We started with a GUI project in 2 languages. In under 10 minutes, using just 2 prompts, we added 3 more languages with context-aware, high-quality translations. No exporting, no waiting for external translators, no import errors, no correction loops, just a direct translation with the AI right inside Embedded Wizard Studio. The AI console doesn't just save you time. It changes the way you think about localization. What used to be a bottleneck becomes a simple step in your workflow. And compared to traditional translation workflows, AI-powered localization is significantly faster and more cost-effective. Want to try it yourself? Download Embedded Wizard and start translating your GUI today. Thanks for watching.